Why spend a lot of money on art supplies when you can try these 5 cheap alternatives for expensive art tools? My name is Dragos Pepina, and in this video I'll show you how to draw faster and easier with these 5 items that you probably already have in your home. So grab your supplies and let's get started. Stop spending money on expensive pencil extenders. Instead, make your own with an old pen. Cheap, easy and quick. Now, you might be wondering how to use an old pen as a pencil extender. Well, it's as simple as it sounds. All you need to do is scrape the pen in the middle and insert a small pencil into either the bottom or top of the pen, and voila, you've just made your own quick and cheap pencil extender. To show you that this alternative works just as well as the original, I've made a short demo. First, I drew a small rectangle with a black pencil, then applied a lot of pressure with a white pencil to create a highlight. Everything worked like a charm. The pencil didn't move at all and was very comfortable to use. Who would have thought you could use your window for tracing? If you're a beginner and can't afford professional light pads or don't have something similar handy, simply tape your reference photo to the window, then put your drawing paper over it. All that's left to do is to sketch by tracing the outline of the subject with the light coming through. Try this method on a sunny day, but not when the sun is shining directly through the window, as it can blind you. Another good tip is to use an X-Acto knife to create details. But what is it? It's a blade mounted on a pen-like aluminum body used for crafting and hobbies and can be found almost anywhere at a very low price. The X-Acto knife is a substitute for this item called the Precision knife from the brand Slice. These knives can start at $8 and go up to $50. As mentioned, this tool is great for creating details in your artworks. To use this technique, you need to have at least 3 layers on your paper. But what does this method actually do? With the X-Acto knife, you slowly and carefully scrape off the top layers to reveal the lower layers, creating highlights. The more you scrape, the more layers you reveal. Be careful not to press too hard to avoid cutting through the paper. This method is great for creating whiskers or fine details in the animal fur. Save money by making your own tracing paper. From my experience, good quality tracing paper can be very expensive. All you need is simple printer paper, some pastels or black charcoal, and something to blend it with. I use a very inexpensive sponge that's used for applying foundation and some pen pastel. Make sure to apply the pigment over the entire surface of the paper, but not too much, as it can become a mess. If you work on toned paper, use a white or light colored pastel. This tip will save you a lot of money, and the tracing paper can be used more than once. In the end, I used the wooden stylus to show the transfer. I didn't press too hard to avoid embedding the color into the paper. Use a cheap fluffy brush to clean the residue from your drawing surfaces. I found this large paintbrush for just $1, but I think you can find them anywhere. The brushes should be very soft, so they don't scratch the drawing surface. The former is a very cheap alternative to this specialized brush for cleaning drawings. It costs about $7, while the former costs only $1. To test the effectiveness of the cheap brush, I drew a rectangle with high pressure to create as much residue as possible. To clean the drawing, gently swipe with the brush until there's no more residue. You can see how clean the drawing stayed after using the $1 brush, which means you don't need a lot of expensive art supplies to do things well. Thanks for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow artists. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tutorials. Got any cool art hacks or budget-friendly tips? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.